So this is how you can create a community on Reddit. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Reddit. Today you will learn how to make your own community. So go ahead and open up Reddit, and here you will see your Reddit page or the feed. Now, as you can see from the top right, that is your logo, your icon, or your whatever that is. I think it's called an avatar. So now you will be in your profile. Go ahead and tap on create a community, and now you can go ahead and change it however you want to. Just add your community name. So obviously you're gonna have to make a unique community name because you can't have the same community as other people. So you can go ahead and tap on community type, and then you can go ahead and choose public, restricted, or private. So just choose whatever you want, and you can even tick it off as an 18 plus community or not. Just go ahead and tap on create community, and now your community has been created. You can go ahead and tap on create to make your first post in the community. Let me just say hello and then post. And now we're gonna see that I've posted hello in this community. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.